Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with Pentair's Prowler 920 Robotic Cleaner. We are going to open this thing up and show you guys what comes in the box. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got Pentair's Prowler 920 Robotic Pool Cleaner. We have a previous video if you guys want to kind of do some comparison on the 910, which is the little sister of this cleaner. But this one comes with a little bit more beefy programs that you guys can do, as well as just a little bit beefier of a cleaner itself. So this is meant for above ground pools, in-ground pools. Doesn't matter which one you guys want to do. It'll work for both. That's the nice part with the programming in here. And this is kind of like a set it and forget it. So this is made by the famous brand Dolphin, made by Maytronics. They actually make this and supply this to Pentair. So trusted name in the industry for all your robotic cleaners. Pentair trusted them to help them make this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut open the box, kind of go over a few things and just show you guys what comes included. Bear with me as they do really well on packaging these things. So compared to some of the other products I'm sure you guys have seen me unbox along the years, this one is much beefier. So fresh cardboard cracks. So, all right, put that down. Power supply. Sweet. Very heavy duty box. So awesome. Here's the cleaner. So first thing, let's go over the most important, which I know you guys always get sick and tired of me hearing, is the user manual. So it does come with a user manual. This will get you guys set up on how to actually do the programming with your power module. And then it also has your warranty card. So always make sure that you guys are filling out these warranty cards. Super important to make sure that you guys get that extra ease of mind as you guys are putting this in, because it is not a cheap cleaner. This one typically retails from us for around $800. We do quite a bit of sales on them, but you guys can check those out online and notice it does come with 18 meters of hose. So the one side is actually meant to connect to your power supply, and the other side's actually already connected to the cleaner. So you don't have to worry about any of that. It does have a flows hose as well, just kind of helps keep that hose up off the back of the cleaner so it doesn't accidentally get sucked in. So they do have all that set up for you guys. Like I said, 18 meters is a lot. So if you guys got a small to medium pool in ground or above ground, this thing's awesome. You guys can just plug it in, set it, forget it, let it do its cleaning. You'll want to take it out and obviously clean the basket, which we'll kind of get into because I do supply you with some actual filters, which is really nice to catch that fine debris and silt and dirt that settles, especially for us out here in the Arizona desert. So it's really nice to be able to just kind of toss this thing in and not worry about it. You don't have a suction line on the side of your pool. You don't have to worry about a pressure line on the side of your pool. You're not running this through your skimmer. It's just a plug in, toss it in, let it do its thing, and actually program it through the power center itself. So as we talk about that, I'll actually show you guys the power center. So it plugs in just regular 110 house outlet. So you guys can just plug this in. It actually has little mounting brackets on the back, so you guys can mount this up on a wall or a pillar, whatever you guys got available in your backyard. So it's really cool. And then obviously it has your power button, and then it's got all different options here for your settings. So when you get into that user manual, you can really get into setting the programs. It looks like it has about 3 different cycles that you guys could do in terms of the cleaning. There is a Bluetooth option to be able to connect to this. We're still working with Pentair on how to actually connect via Bluetooth because they don't actually disclose it very well in the user manual. So maybe we'll have another video for you guys there. So by the time this one posts, maybe it'll be in the description for you guys. So make sure you guys always go down there and check it out. But this is your basic power center. You can see on the one side, it's got a weather kind of proofed thing. So if you don't actually have it plugged in, always make sure that you guys put that on so you guys don't fry the electronics. You always want to make sure that that's a big thing, water and electronics. So another thing they give you is obviously your replacement filters. So we're going to have a whole nother video for you guys on actually how to change your whole basket, get the debris out. It's really simple. It's really nice on how they lay it out in the cleaner itself. but it does look like they give you their actual fine debris. We've got these as well. We'll make sure we'll put them down in the description for you guys. We carry all the replacements for these too. So now let me unbag this beast of a cleaner. So if you've seen our previous video on the 910, you'll notice some differences. One, this one is obviously much larger, and two, it does have some cooler features on the side. It's actually got this like track guard on the side here, which the 910 does not have. So this will actually help make sure that these tracks stay the way that you want them to. It just snaps right in. So if for some reason in shipping these things pop off, you guys can snap them back in. We do our best to make sure that we pack up all our stuff to get it to you guys' door, but sometimes the carriers ruffle it up a little bit for you guys. So, but here's the cleaner itself. So I'll go ahead and turn it so you can see the pretty logo on the side. So here's the 920. It's really nice. I love it. Again, the 910 had a little bit of a different color scheme, but it still stays with that dark blue, those grays. It's a signature Dolphin Matronics Pentair thing. So I really love the color of the cleaner. It looks really good. Again, for that warranty card, you guys are going to need to make sure that you guys have that serial number. So if you accidentally toss the box, don't worry, you guys can access that. So when you guys actually pop open the lid to get inside the basket, there is an internal serial number for you guys there. So really cool. And as you guys can tell, when I pop it open, the basket lid the handle actually pops up. So just makes it super simple for you guys to have to clean. And looking at it, it does look like they already give you cartridges. So you actually have a secondary set of cartridges to throw in as well. So that's really nice. Looks like these ones don't clean as much of a fine debris as these ones do. So depending on what you guys have in your pool, you might decide to swap it out for the ones that actually come with it for the ones in the bag. So but really cool, really simple. We're going to have a ton of other videos on little basic maintenance on this thing, as well as kind of how to change some things out. But again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We have these laid out, full part breakdowns. We're carrying all the parts and pieces for it. So if something does go wrong after your warranty, we're always here to help. So just make sure that you guys follow those instructions, get that warranty filled out, so that way you guys can enjoy a nice clean pool all summer long. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Wanted to show you guys what came in the box on Pentair's Prowler 920. Again, make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton of videos coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.